Okay. I'm at Starbucks. Apparently they had a plumber that was reporting a belly in the line once it left Huberto's. We're cammering the main sanitary line now as we speak. Heading towards their restrooms. Straight across. I think the women's toilet comes in right here. They're both. Yeah. Oh, whatever. Bathroom's right here. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'll flush that one second, and then I'll flush the other one.
Flush the bathroom on this side first. You know why I'm here?
Yeah.
Why?
Put the drain back up.
Yeah.
Hey,
Did they run
away?
Did they run a machine in here?
Yes.
Like a rotor machine?
I want to say so, but I didn't come back here and see it.
That's weird.
Why?
No, your one bathroom ties in right here.
Yeah.
The other one ties in, drops down.
So he gave me some samples. I sent it to Ashley, so I'll show you the samples, like the paper to peel, so I can get it printed out. So I can get it printed out tomorrow, but I'll just drop them off at the house to peel like the paper to see which one you want. I think so. It's depending on the type of paper you want. That's the big one. So it actually takes me back before I leave work. Like this, I think this paper. They're both okay. So I guess he just did the green one because it looks like a ticket from like a basket, like from the nose. So that's why he just did that. This is the sample. He was explaining what it is, but they're both nice to me. It's whatever she wants. So I think this one feels nice, this white one, but I'm just waiting for her to respond. Okay, well I'm not leaving here till about 3:30 anyway. So that's what I was trying to figure out, which one she wanted, like paper type. So just plain hard stock, if that's all we want. Just plain, like regular hard stock paper.
Huh? Yeah.
So this one is like a glossy look to it.
Yeah. Good.
It's just glossy.
Huh?
Which I think the ones I showed you, the ones that, let me show you one of the picture. I think the paper that those feel, they're so fine. Or I could just have to print out like.
Great. That's off enough. Huh?
program did she use? I guess that's what he was trying to figure out because he was like, I can't see. It doesn't say what program she used to design it. So I guess if you can, I wonder if I can ask her. I'm just about to see her email real quick. Precisely. Because see, this is not like a PDF. This is just a picture system email. So we can try to adjust it. I feel bad. So, I just sent her an email, so I'm gonna see if she gets back to me. So, because I asked her what software did she use. So, this is like a flyer. This is not a ticket. This is a flyer. Yeah. So I'll show it. I'll bring it by the house and show it to you. So I won't go back and have to reprint anything. I'll just see, and then these give me like extra heat. So see, right here I got already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. I just got almost. This is free. Sample. Where does she live at? You know what? I have to take. You know what? I might just end up showing Ashley how it looks because I have to take Journey to Tumblr and I have to drop her back off the T. So I'm already in the Vanessa account, so I might just leave her and show her. Okay. I'm gonna just, yeah. Cause Journey to Tumblr should be over about 4:45, so I can probably meet Ashley somewhere off of. Cause when does she come home? I could probably meet her off the Beltway and 90, right there, Beltway and 90. So I think she goes that way to go to. Yeah. I just meet her off the Beltway and 90. Oh yeah. Okay, I know where she's going then. Cause she just, I wonder if she go. I'm gonna just text her and tell her to meet probably at that right there where Courtney told the Beltway meet us at. Cause that's not too far from her house. Okay. So. Yeah, the system's down. So when you come down the hills, just do them straight to 200. I wasn't even trying to come down the hills like that. I was just trying to get the sales. Like I can't. We're down. I'm trying to come down. You want me to just like write down on the, like write down what I'm about to do? Yeah. Okay. Oh, and heads up, Dennis accidentally on one of his suits for 340 and it's supposed to be 304. So it looks like it's going to be 36,000. Okay. It looks like it's just write this in the. Oh yeah, I did. I made the little man get this shit. Yeah, I come back and do it. What? other side, the first one is not really good. That's me.
Hey, is everybody else backed up too, as well? Or is it just you?
Well, they're closed next door, so I don't know. And then, burrito, I'm not super sure why.
This is freaking old pipe. Old pipe. Outside.
Yeah, you're right. So your days are Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We make the best of it. That's wonderful. Keep you on the top. Yes. She should be at my house like 4:30, 4:45.
Alright. Who was here Saturday when they were here?
I was. You don't know.
Was there grease coming out over there? Does anybody know?
No grease, just food.
But it was coming out over there. That by your grease trap, right? Look. Look. Look.
I'm confused. Jamia, did they have one of these things back here?
This is a camera.
Oh, no.
Okay. See, this is old cast iron pipe, old metal pipe. All right. Now, it's PVC to about the building, right?
Mm-hmm.
Still, see, that's where the PVC stops. Okay. Now, you see how this is all built up with crap?
Yeah.
But that's not the big issue.
No, you're good. It's just a magnet.
See, that's supposed to be a 4-inch pipe. Big round 4-inch pipe. You got.
Tight.
You got.
What is that?
The pipe.
It's just
What is that?
grease.
Oh, wow.
See, we keep coming. We keep coming. I can barely get my camera through now. It gets ready to drop into a piece of another PVC pipe. But look right here. That's broke.
Oh, wow.
See the break?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how they could have missed that.
So is this what's causing our backup in the bathroom?
Yeah. Well, this is the sanitary line. This is where your toilets flush. Okay? But everything ties to this line. Even your grease trap.
Okay.
Even their grease trap. Even the other grease trap ties to this line. I've been here before. I've jetted this line out because they failed to clean this interceptor out here. And I was telling your other lady here, they're making Starbucks actually go with like 1,500 gallon grease traps, believe it or not.
Okay.
That's just a little, like a 100 gallon grease tank, interceptor, okay? So that's got to be maintained all the time. What I mean by maintain is they should give you a manifest where they come and clean it out.
Okay. They
Okay.
come I'm on like a 3 month
Okay.
type thing.
Well, we also had some holidays in there. You guys were probably slammed, weren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. But this is not a good sign. That's definitely, but that's the sanitary line. This is the poop line.
Okay.
That runs all the way through this building and leaves back there in the parking lot. But as you can see as well as I can, that's broken.
Okay.
See?
So what would be your suggestion?
Well, we're going to give the property manager a price to dig that up out there. I mean, and then if I come back, like I said, this is all cast iron right here. Just a small piece of pipe, which was stupid. And then, you see all this? That's grease buildup.
Okay.
Now,
We got Saturday. It was bad. We had water like.
I know, they actually called us,
Yeah. Oh really?
but I guess you already had a plumber here.
Mhm.
Because like I said, I've been here for this grease trap outside. Shit, grease water is going everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we've set up and jet it with the big
They
jet
said
machine.
it was these people.
Hey.
ECS Corporation.
Is that the guy that was here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that number from you in just a second, okay?
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna ask him why he missed. You don't know if they ran a camera though.
No.
We're gonna find out. I'm gonna get him on the phone real quick. And they said, she said they were just here or something was just here.
Literally, y'all probably missed each other about 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, got it.
Yeah. Ma'am, do you have that card?
It is 806 472 8178. His name is Joey.
Joey?
Yeah.
What's up, Joey? Did they build you guys out? Is that why you guys called them? They built it.
Oh, I'm not too sure. No. I was just calling in facilities, and that's what they said.
Facility what? Services?
Service, yeah, services.
This is who? Joey. Hey, Joey, man, my name is Rick. I'm with SunCoast Plumbing. Man, I guess you will find out.
saying before with him missing of the trailer, because low key, that's the travel. So the corporate doesn't have to be closed, just the head. That's what the corporate does. No, just the. So roughly it's supposed to be 4 hours. Yes. 4 hours or something? And I took over. Remember, like, that's stupid.
Hey, how often does this happen?
This has happened to me maybe about, this is my 4th time. And I've been in the store for about a year, so it's been.
4 times in about a year. I've been over here to get it. Like, I know of twice. And I think somebody else from the company might have been here. I think what's happening is, I've been doing this a long time. That's not big enough. Because one
Yeah,
time,
we've had some problems even with like the cities come out and it gets built up really fast.
yeah,
And I've gotten a couple of tickets from the health inspector because of that grease
Right.
trap.
see, it's not even really a grease trap. You know what I mean? It's a plastic fiberglass little tote thing in there. I mean, like I said, 1,500 is kind of big, but man, we're putting 750-gallon grease traps in. You know?
Yeah.
But that guy's coming from, the guy that just left.
Yeah. What did he was coming back? What did he say?
Yeah, he said, well, what do you mean? I said, what do you mean, what do I mean? I said, I see a broken pipe. Hey! Come back! Oh, wait, I'm gonna go forward first. See, the problem is, I can't goddamn repipe this whole goddamn property, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
There, drop down. I hate to say it, and I always like it when I'm right and they're wrong. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, the main is, I mean, I'm underwater in the main, but god dang, it's probably a 10-inch main. That's not going to affect you guys. This piece all needs to come out of here, though. All this needs to come out.
Somebody was calling, but I couldn't find it when I came back here.
Belly right here. Clean out.
Yeah, for a second.
Clean out.
Right back.
Huh? I gotta be right there. 45, over. I'll be back in a minute. No, no. I'm talking to my camera.
Oh.
I'll be back. I'm gonna put you on pause for a minute. I'm waiting on a plumber from ECSI. I missed him by about 30 minutes. I'm going to show him what's going on here. He represents Starbucks. Okay, I had a gentleman with ECSI out here. I showed him on the video that we do have a separation out in the parking lot on the old cast iron pipe out here. But I did have a good conversation with him on this quote-unquote little interceptor they have, quote-unquote small grease trap they have out here, and we just lifted the lids. The primary is packed, but which constitutes everything going through this line. But I am turning an estimate in for us to go ahead and break up out in the parking lot.